Hey y'all, so I have been working on this design team project today and I did get it bound. I'm really happy with how the binding turned out. And I got some of the collaging done inside with the ladies. This is the Alors Danse digital printable kit available over on Ko-fi, and I will link the information below in my description box if you are on YouTube, and in the comments if you are on TikTok. I did add another lady. Odile put out a freebie sheet over on her Ko-fi you can go and get for free of these 4 fussy cut ladies to match the kit. So this is what it looks like right now, and then I will start building up the tags and cards that I have in the pockets and in the envelopes, and start working on creating what I'm gonna put back behind the envelopes in those pockets. And I've decided that I want to add some more layered flowers, and since I don't have any more white ones, I'm going to take some of the cream colored ones that I have, and I'm going to paint them white so that I have some white flowers, because I don't have a flower punch. So I'm just gonna probably use gesso and paint some of these white so that I can make some more layered flowers. So those are my plans for now. Just a little update. Okay, thanks for watching, y'all.